Hey y'all, welcome back. This is 828 Find Adventure, and I'm going to install an accessory mount or antenna mount or a light mount, whatever you want to put on it, to the back of my Tacoma. I got this from Caliraised, so let's watch me install it so you can do it too. First thing I do, just like everybody else, is I take it out of the packaging. After I've taken it out of the packaging, I want to inspect the part, make sure it's not blemished or bent in shipping or damaged in any way. And then I want to match it up to the bolts in the vehicle and make sure that it fits before I install it. You never know, sometimes mistakes happen. It's going to take a 10mm wrench to remove the bolts in this particular truck. Different applications might have different size bolts, so always check first. It's really easy to do, just remove the bolts and get out your handy 10mm socket. Then, after you get the bolts out, you just hold up the antenna bracket or accessory mount and reverse the procedure. It's that simple. Hey y'all, I just want to interrupt here for a second. If you like the video so far, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I did get another one of these mounts for the driver's side. So now I have matching accessory mounts and antenna mounts on the rear of my vehicle. Then just tighten them down. Don't over tighten them. You don't want to snap off the bolts with those strong muscles you have. But anyways, once you're done, it looks great. It's a nice finished product, powder coated, and an overall good product. Now I did want to show you that there is some flex in these antenna or accessory mounts, as they call them. I would not tie something to the roof of your vehicle using these. I doubt they would break off, but they would bend. So really these are just intended for mounting some LED light pods, antennas, and that's basically it. But they look good, they function well, and they're a great design. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video of me installing those antenna mounts or accessory mounts, whatever you want to use them for. I wouldn't tie any cargo to them or use them if you're tying a boat to the roof. They flex a little bit because of the thickness of the powder coated steel they used. Other than that, they work great, they look great, they have many uses. I hope you enjoyed the video of me installing them. It was pretty easy, just a 10mm socket and you got it, depending on the vehicle, of course. Well, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. and stay tuned for more videos coming your way. See you later.